Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I love these Zuru babies. These are the new ones. One thing I know about it is I do not have this. This will not be a repeat because this is the first one I found, and we've been looking for them. Guess where I found it? Hobby Lobby, and they were $10.99 there. That's okay. I really wanted it. I made my own, and I just showed this. I think yesterday we played this video where I made my own little cradle purse and outfit for my little rider. And it has a little snap on the back. I don't know that I showed that in the other video. And then her little bed here opens out of the ball. And peekaboo, there's another little Zuru. Okay, let me set this aside and show you what I bought on eBay, because I tell you, I kept getting repeats, which I love those Zurus, don't misunderstand, but I wanted some of the others, so I looked on eBay. I'm always looking on eBay, don't let me fool you, and came across this. It was a little bit more expensive than I wanted to pay, but it had make offer. If it has make offer on an item you're looking at, make an offer. All they can do is say no. This was pre-opened, and they have dog hairs at their house too, and that doesn't bother me because we have a ton of dog hair right now. So I got to pick out the one I wanted, and it is the Beach Baby. She even put that there.
Which is the one you don't have.
I do not have, and I kept hoping to get it. And I do not have this darker baby, the American Indian baby. So I am thrilled. Anyway, I put in an offer, and she accepted. So I got this for less than $10, and I am thrilled. What I really want is the baby. I'll put that back in. Isn't that adorable? Just adorable. Look at that little outfit. Has a little Velcro in the back to get them in and out. Just the cutest, cutest, cutest. All right, so let's put that here. And I'm not going to resave the paper, but, oh, you know what? That could be my own dog here flying around. We have 2 black German Shepherds and a Great Pyrenees. My Yorkie doesn't shed. She mats, so I have to brush her out all the time. But the others, oh my God, they are in it's shedding season. And oh my God, my house is so full of hair. It doesn't matter. Half hour after I sweep, or I have the Swiffer. I love those Swiffer. You know what? We might have to pause because this just takes forever. I have the Swiffer dust mops. I love it. And I buy the extra duty pet pieces to put on it. What do you call it? The dust mop part of it, the mop part of it. And I do my whole house with one. Okay. And boy, does that pick up the hair. Oh, hair and dirt and dust, and it really traps it in the, look at me doing a commercial for Swiffer. Anyway, come on open. Okay, there we go. Ha ha! I am so excited to have this. Woo! Let's see who I got. Cupid, Cupid, Cupid. All right, here's who you can get. I call this look what you didn't get list. There are 4. There's the little Cupid that I'm hoping for. There's this cute little basket, another little I think that's a basket. And then the little guy in the PJs with that. So this would be the least one I want. What do you bet?
It's in there.
What do you bet? Let's see the baby I got. Let's see the baby. Ooh, I got the blonde. Finally getting blondes. For a while, I couldn't get a blonde to save me. I got them off the top of the box, but I didn't really want to open. Okay, this is going to be my hint. I got Cupid! And I held these for Darren. I held 2 out, and he picked. I got the one I wanted. Oh, I'm thrilled.
It just looked like a Cupid doll.
I am so thrilled. Look at this little outfit. What do we got here? Oh, that's her little, is that supposed to be a heart? Yeah, and this is wings. Let me put it on her. We'll be right back. Oh, look how cute. I'm so tickled. When my kids were little, well, probably always, I get up early. I get up 5:30 in the morning. When my kids were little, I used to get up, fix them a big breakfast and pack their lunches. And if it was cold out, I'd start a fire in the fireplace before they got up, and I'd put their coats on the back of chairs so their coats were all warm before they left. But on the 14th of February, at 5:30 in the morning when the alarm went off, I'd start singing real loud Cupid by Sam Cooke. So now my kids have grandkids, and I'll send them a note in great big letters, Cupid, draw back your bow. So I am delighted to have that. And this one, I can't tell you how tickled, I kind of put this away so I wouldn't knock into it. Oh, I finally got the little American Indian. Oh, thank you for watching. Let me know, do you have these little silicone babies? I just love them. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.